Hello, you trader nerds. Real traders don't trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds. They trade with me, Sweet Bobby, the worst trader on the planet. But I ain't as bad as I once was. I promise I'm a lot better than I used to be. But anyway, we all have room for improvement. Look at this runaway market up 1.06%. You would think there was not a problem in the world, but there is, y'all. Now, here's the issue. Look at the volume. Volume is not really that high. It's more of an average volume. AD is up to 419. We've run out of green little arrows here, little lines. It's so high. The AD low was 136, AD high 425. The VIX is down in the 16 handle. Now, here's the problem. I want you to look here at the Big Green Monster. Big Green Monster almost called the top so far. This is overbought. Overbought meaning what? That we expect that if we stay in here for a while, we're probably going to go back into this area. So what we're saying is, I believe in the next 10 days that we will have a reversion back into the fair value zone. Now, I could definitely be wrong. And the alternative thesis would be it keeps on going and gets into the oversold category for the thing behind. But I don't believe that's going to happen. Now, why, Bob, is that not going to happen? Let me show you what it looks like on the linear regression. Watch the volume. The volume is down as the market is up. What does that mean? It means that this upward movement in the market is losing momentum. Everybody see it? Market up, volume down, losing momentum. So what that means is that we will quickly and surely see some bit of movement to the downside. All of that will actually take this and level it out like this. Shut that dog up for the love. Y'all agree with me or disagree? It doesn't matter. Because it doesn't matter really what the market does or what our trading strategy is. Now, let's look at this little thing here. Remember yesterday we were at 80-something% probability of being in the money. Because of these last 2 days in the market with the move up, we are now a 92% probability of making some money.
Bobby, I don't know.
I don't know either, Granny, but I'll tell you one thing. I believe we're going to be just fine. All right, so let's go to our little accounts today and see how we're doing in the IRAs. The IRAs, I can't stand calling them IRAs. All right, so today is the 10th. Wow, have we not done anything on this one since the 5th, right? So 10, 10, 23. Let's see how much money we got in this little account right here. Let's go over here. And IRA is this one. And let's see, day trade. 89,645. 89,645. I got a feeling Rico is going to be firing up. 89,645. Fire up the band, Rico.
Well, we're moving on now. We're moving on up to the east side. To a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Let's grab some of that. All right, Rico fired up the band. Let me make that a little bigger so it'll show our. There we go. 10, 10, 23. All right, let's go get our Greeks and ratios. The ratios. So let's see how we're doing here. All right, so our here we go. We are at 89.65. 89.65. Look at that, y'all. Wow. Wow. Look, oh my gosh. Rough. We're gonna have to put some trades on. I'm going to trade this account more actively. Doing it twice a week is not getting it done. 27,000 on the buying power. Look at that, y'all. 27,000. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh man, look at that. Were it not for low theta, we would, we would be we'd be sitting just right. But I need a little more money flowing into the account every day. So to do that, we're going to put on us a trade. Now, you don't necessarily like putting on trades on the up days, but let's do it based on what we've been doing. We've been doing the 1-1-2s lately. So let's do that. We got a bunch of 1-2-1s on. So we're going to do a 1-1-2. What am I doing? Bobby, get it together, son. All right. I think it's because Shovel's in here live. I think I'm a little bit I'm a little bit intimidated by the Shovel being live. I think that's the problem. All right, so let's go Closest to 120, what would that be? It'd be 129. We got 101 or 129. I'll go 129. Be our first trades in the 129 days. And we'll do see if I remember how to do this. We'll sell 2 of the 5 deltas, right? So 3,500s. Looks good. 2 of the 3,500s. And let's bump them up to 1675. 2 of those and swaka fill. And then we're going to go about to that 25 delta. So right in here, let's say the 4,200 and 4,150. 4,200, 4,150. And let's see what we can get that fill for. $9. Let's bump it up a little bit. So we'll get filled there for that one, and that should fill. Ta-da! We are in, baby. We got our trade. Now, really, it's one of those things that I'm almost like, in this account, I probably need to put 2 on, but I think there'll be better opportunities as the week goes on, as the market finally says, wait a minute, we shouldn't be going up, we're overbought and we're going down. So I think I'll get better opportunities to put additional trades on. So we'll just leave that where it is. All right, let's go to the Roth IRA. See how much money we made over here. See if Rico gets to fire up the band today. 28,195. 28,195. 28,195. Oh yeah, look at this. 28,195.
Well, we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
Yes, hallelujah. Now remember, this is all done with me basically not trading it. I mean, I'm trading this account 2 times a week. And it seems like the less that I fool with them, the better off that they go, right? I mean, it really does. Just let your positions work. So here we've got 42.22, 42.22. Put that in. 42.22. 22. Beautiful. And VIX of 16. So our buying power over here is 9,200. Gorgeous account here. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Things are working really good. So, this is elevated. This is fine, but this is low. So what are we going to do? We're going to put on trade. Let's see if any of our trades say that they need to be managed. Nope. Everything looks good. So let's put on a trade over here as well. So let's do it. We'll just build them again. So everybody's playing along, right? We do the 4,200, 4,150. Buy. Sell. Get our little put debit spread on. $9. We'll try it at 9. It won't get filled probably. Let's see. But I'm greedy. So we got filled at 9.20 last time. Let's see if we can go up to 9.15 on this one. 9.15. Come on, baby. There we go. We got filled for a nickel better than we did a while ago. All right, good. All right, so now let's go buy or sell our 5 delta, which was the 3,500, right? 5 delta. So we'll sell that one. And let's see if we can get a little bit more. 17.25. 2 of them probably won't fill there. Probably have to go down to 17. But that's fine. We're going to try. We're testing the market, baby. We're testing the market. Come on, baby. Get in there. Get in there. There we go. Big Daddy is in. So we got our little trades in. So everything looks really, really good. The accounts are fine. What does our analyze tab look like on these accounts? Let's see. Good Lord. What is that? 10, 9, 10, 10. Let's see. What do we look like? Let's go see what would just look like our entire thing. Show all. 7 series. We're going to hide simulations. We don't want to do single symbol. We want to do portfolio beta weighted. And then we got to take those blasted thingamajigs off. T-bills. Now let's see what this looks like. That should be everything, right? Let's see. MES. Yeah. What do we look like? Okay. Basically, we'd blow ourselves out if we went down 20%. Let's see. All right. Nothing's changed here. Let's see. Expiration. Let's do 4 expirations. Okay. We got a little bubble butt down the downside. But we're building our bubble butt. Over here, our bubble butt doesn't look as good, but we'll be building this up as well. So I think we're good. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to stop recording, see everybody else later, and then we're going to go to look and see if we can buy some T-bills. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see y'all tomorrow.